my god, it worked! Oh my fucking god. Oh my god, it works. Oh my god. This thing I bought is not even in there. And it's doing that. I'm pretty sure the LED light for this car is not supposed to flash. I guess they sent me the wrong one. This was supposed to make it flash 4 times and then solid. I don't know what to do. I figured out what to do, guys. Amazon just sent me the wrong package. I got another one, so we'll try again. Part 2. Alright, what you're gonna need is the IJDM light, flasher module, posi taps, boom. So it's the same thing as last time when I installed the LED lights, but ooh, fuck, okay. Alright, need to drill a hole right here. Yeah. Oh shit. I hear this is the hardest part of the install. Let's see how that goes. Oh, that bitch tight. Oh, I don't want to do this. Alright guys, I just got this in. Install this back into the car and then take off the tail light. Oh. Just like that. Come on, Don, quit being a bitch. What the fuck, man? Oh. Damn. Okay, well I got it off. I just gotta get this clip off. God, I hate clips. I fucking hate them. Damn. Okay. Am I just a little bitch? Tail light is gone. I don't know where to fish it. Towards the exhaust. Fish it towards the exhaust. Maybe I should have lifted the car. These papers are getting in the way. Just let me fish the dog. These first. Is it gonna come out? There's the exhaust. There. Okay, pull it up. Alright guys, so the whole reason why this is a custom 4th brake light is because of this flasher module. It took me a solid week and a half to find this, but this little thing has the flashing pattern that I want. All the other ones, garbage. This should work. I'm not really sure. I'm not very, but yeah, just wire this in line with the brake light and it should work. Alright, this is how you're going to wire the LED with the flasher module. The LED is going to have 3 wires, black, red, and blue. The black is the ground, red is the secondary, and the blue is the actual brake. The tail light is also going to have 3 wires, black, pink, and red. Black is ground, however, pink is secondary, and red is actually the brake light. A little bit confusing, but now let's introduce the flasher module. This is going to have 4 wires, black, red, yellow, and white. Again, black is ground, red is the input, and yellow is the output. And white is to configure the flashing. And now let's get this all wired up. Looking at the LED and the tail light, we're going to get the black from the LED to the black to the tail light. And then we get the red from the LED to the pink on the tail light. If we introduce the flasher now, the red on the flasher is going to go to the red on the tail light. The yellow on the flasher is going to go to the blue wire on the LED. Now the black will obviously go to the tail light black. Just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys stuck around to the end, I had a lot of ups and downs in this small little DIY build. Stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully, I don't know when that's going to come out. Maybe next year. But yeah, I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.